guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are diving in and looking at C3.AI. This company is down well over 26%. So we're going to be looking at what is going on with it and answering these questions of should you invest? What's going on? Is AI over? Is ChatGPT done? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new, we talk about everything money on the channel, so subscribe and join the team. So guys, let's dive into it. So I think we all know the rise of OpenAI, right? ChatGPT has been the fastest online site to virtually hit 100 million active users, outperforming Facebook, outperforming Instagram, virtually every other social media and online community out there and that's virtually ever been created, hitting it in less than 90 days, which is crazy. Now, as of right now, one of the most popular artificial intelligence companies has pretty much sold off over 26%. Now, you may be saying, Carter, what does this mean for AI? Well, guys, right now the general sector is selling off. We've seen Nvidia sell off. We've seen Big Bear, OpenAI or software sell off as well. And virtually a couple of tech companies sell off because of this announcement. Now, is this something to be concerned about and what's going on? So pretty much right now, a letter has been sent stating that C3.AI is having a ton of serious accounting issues and disclosure issues. Now, you may be saying, Carter, what does this mean? Well, don't worry, I've done a ton of research on this. So pretty much what this means is they've used highly aggressive accounting to inflate their income statements. Now, obviously, anytime you have that get put out there, that's never the greatest. I think we all know the issues that we've seen literally in the past year from banking companies and different investment firms and stuff like this. Look, let's go look back at history. We've seen FTX, we've seen literally three of the most largest banks in the United States since 2008 close. So there's a lot of emotion right now in the market, especially when it comes to stuff like this. So obviously this is going to cause investors to say, all right, I'm getting out. Maybe I made a little bit of money. I'm getting out. Because guys, this stock has more than doubled, what it has in a year, which is outperforming virtually every other stock out there. We've seen companies like Nvidia up well over 70-80% in a single year. So there's a ton of money behind this. Now, what does this mean for the general sector? Okay, so what this means is, one, we could see a couple of other companies see some issues with it if they're all accounting the same. Obviously, most of the time they are. We'll see maybe some little dips in their share price, nothing to be concerned about. But what does this mean for C3.AI? Well, the company really hasn't said too much. I've tried to do a lot of research. They gave very, very vague statements about what's going on and different accounting practices and stuff like that. But overall, I think when you invest into these companies, they're growth stocks. These companies are not like investing in Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson or, Apple or virtually any other, blue chip, well-established companies. These are companies that are very volatile. Looking at their earnings, yeah, they're inflating their income statement, but look at it. They're down on their revenue. They're down on their net profit margin. They're down on almost every single fundamental. So yeah, they're doing it to hopefully get more shareholders and hopefully get more investors. But I think they're doing it, just to try to raise more money so they can grow their products and grow their companies. Obviously, that's why they do it. Now, should you invest in this stock? Should you buy C3.AI? So for me, right now, it's better to just sit on the sidelines and see what happens. I would recommend waiting like a week or two before we understand what's going on. But near and around that $20 mark. So maybe there could be a possible day trade or swing trade opportunity to take place there. You'll notice we've seen different buying pressure near and around that price. But as far as a long-term investment, it's obviously high risk, high reward. I would rather see you guys, maybe take a step back and focus on ETFs or index funds. That's just me. I'm a very, very conservative investor when it comes to stuff like this. But do I have shares? Absolutely. I keep it under 2% of my portfolio. The reason why it's so low is because of stuff like this. When this stuff sells off, I don't get worried. What, I'm at 2%? Okay, whatever. That's fine. This is not going to make or break my portfolio. But if I had a 50 or 75% of my money in this, I'd be freaking out. Oh my gosh, I'm down 26%. So guys, honestly, you have to understand it's a high risk, high reward play. If you're looking to make money quick, don't invest in it. You know, if you're a beginner, I would recommend, you know, investing into more tech ETFs or maybe some artificial intelligence ETFs. I posted a video on it before. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out. Also, another issue we've seen from this overall sector is we've seen ChatGPT face some criticism and actually have to pause some of their releases. So we'll see what happens with that. I think right now the general sector is just getting a little hit. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day, and I think you have to understand that as well. So, you know, looking back at history, you know, has Apple sold off 20%? Yeah. Has Google? Yeah, most companies do. You know, it's how they come back, which makes them stronger, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.